here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button Screen Recording. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change video resolution, you can change frame rate, you can change video coding format, you can record front camera, and you can also record screen touches. And you can also record system sound and microphone sound. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap continue, agree and continue while using the app, and this menu appears. Here you can also access some of its settings. To start recording, just tap on this red button, and after that recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. As you can see, there's like this front camera view. You can pause recording by tapping this button, then you can play it again. In order to stop recording, tap on the red button once again, and after it will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots, and here is our recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.